पीले पीले पीले
चल हो गया चल अरे चल हो गया चल लड़का मेरी बात अरे नहीं
मारती बरं मारवावे नाही यार मारती नाही
Good afternoon everybody. You can see right behind me more than 1000 destitute people are being serviced with medicine. Anybody who is facing any kind of ailment or disease, they are taking their medicine so that they can get better and it will help them in their struggle for ongoing life. Thank you so much. You can also become a part of the Earth Saviors Foundation. Please, you are more than welcome to visit us any point in time. Thank you. Have a nice day.